The latest CDC data shows 57 cases of measles in just 1 week, and that's the highest weekly tally reported since the record outbreak in 2019. There are now 146 confirmed cases of measles in the state of Texas. One unvaccinated child has died, the first U.S. measles death in a decade. Now, more cases are popping up across the country.
This was declared eradicated from the continental United States. However, we do still see sporadic cases and travelers who bring it back.
The MMR vaccine, measles, mumps, rubella, has been a game changer since being introduced in the 1960s. But according to CDC data, in 2023, measles vaccination rates for kindergartners were below 95%, the threshold for herd immunity. Doctors say vaccination is the key to stopping the highly contagious virus. And with a known measles exposure in San Antonio, Metro Health is working diligently to make sure that an outbreak doesn't happen here in Bexar County. Today, health officials briefed City Council on the proactive measures they're taking for prevention. KENS 5's Rania Kaur explains what they want you to know.
There are already 146 confirmed cases of measles in Texas. The biggest thing they want you to know is that measles can be highly contagious if you're not vaccinated. The most vulnerable are those with underlying health conditions, pregnant mothers, and those under 5 years old. If you are vaccinated with the MMR vaccine, it is 97% effective against the disease. Here in San Antonio, we've already had one exposure that Metro Health believes could impact thousands. That individual traveled to UTSA, was in businesses and along the Riverwalk, and they were at Mr. Krabby's in Live Oak over Valentine's Day weekend.
Our primary concern is the unvaccinated individuals. So 90% of the unvaccinated individuals who come in contact with the case can get the disease.
UTSA did put a blast to their students and staff, and Metro Health did identify 20 people in close contact with that individual, but believe many more could have been exposed. Bexar County has historically only had 4 positive cases, the last one in 2019. Measles can last in the air for up to 2 hours. Dr. Anita Kurian with Metro Health says they're not recommending masks unless you are identified to be in close contact or you are exhibiting symptoms. Metro Health is hosting pop-up vaccine clinics. There is one tomorrow. For more information on the measles, you can head to our website, kens5.com. From City Hall tonight, Rania Kaur, KENS 5.